Hi beauties, this is the Lakanto Fall into Baking Party Pack. So I'm going to walk you through it and show you what came in it and my reviews about it. So the monk fruit sweetener with erythritol, this is a classic white sugar replacement. It's keto approved. It's the same amount that you would use for sugar. 0 calories, 0 glycemic index, 0 net carbs. So that's awesome. So one thing I noticed right away is that the bags are resealable and it smells really nice. It doesn't smell like sugar, it actually smells like monk fruit. I don't know if you've ever smelled monk fruit, but it's really cool and it has a distinct aroma. Yum. So anyways, this actually tastes really good. I use this for any of my sweetening needs, like in drinks or smoothies or baking even, and it works perfectly and it tastes great. Next, I have the golden monk fruit sweetener. So this is the raw cane sugar replacement. Same thing, keto approved, 1-to-1 replacement, 0 calories, 0 glycemic index, and 0 carbs. So again, same thing. I can use this in my coffee or tea, and it gives it a great sweetening flavor. That's how it looks. So it has the same texture and consistency as raw cane sugar, and it has a great smell and perfect for those keto diets or just to make things a little healthier, you know. Next is the Suntella chocolate sunflower spread sweetened with monk fruit. So again, vegan, only 2 net carbs, keto friendly, and 0 sugar. So this stuff is delicious. Let me open it up real quick. Okay, so yeah, look at that. So it tastes really good. There's some separation of the oil is natural, but yeah, tasting it, look at the consistency of it once you mix it. So you can use this as a spread or for baking, and it's so good. Yum. So if you look at the label, it talks about the spread. So it's basically sunflower seeds and rich, delicious cocoa. And over 1,000 years ago, in the remote highlands of Asia, a group of Buddhist monks called the Luohan achieved enlightenment and ascension through meditation and pure living. The monks discovered a rare superfood prized for its sweetness and its ability to raise chi, or life energy. And this sacred fruit was called the monk fruit, and it was used for centuries to increase chi and well-being, earning the nickname the immortal's fruit. So the Kanto uses these monk fruits to put into their products. So that's why they say discover your chi. So there's some chocolate, not chocolate, Suntella chocolate sunflower spread that came out on this thing. So I will just eat some of that because it's so good. I can't let that go to waste. So in the pack, I got some recipes that I made, and I may do another video about that, but basically how to cook some chocolate cookies with Suntella mousse frosting, as well as making some chocolate chip cookies using these ingredients, using the classic and the golden sweetener, etc. And yeah, so I did do that, and they tasted really delicious. Like once I shared them with my friends, they couldn't tell that it was made with a sugar substitute. It was that good. But everyone had a good time at our party, and these are the things that came with the pack.